got this LED switchback turn signal side marker front kit, and what you get when you install this on your Mustang, you get a hyperflashing in your dash, and there's a little trick you can remove this. You don't have to buy resistors, can be done with an OBD scanner and a nice software called ForScan, and with that you can just disable the outage detection, and with that I'm going to show you right now. This is the right configuration, and like magic, yes, it's gone. No resistor. Yeah.